Hi, today we're making some instant mashed potato for Christmas. So, I'm going to use instant mashed potato, which you can get from the local supermarket or your corner store. I'm not using a proper freshly made mash, but I'm going to use the cheats method. So it's a very simple recipe and it's also known as Duchess potatoes.
It makes a good side dish.
Hi, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey.
You need instant mashed potato from the supermarket, 1 egg and an egg yolk, nutmeg, butter, and some water, and of course some black pepper. And some milk as well, yeah? Pour the mash into a bowl. This is 120 grams instant mash. Mix 300 ml of water with 175 ml of milk. Alternatively, you can use stock instead of water. Pour the mixture over the dry mash. Let it sit for a minute or two. Then mix it with a fork. The mixture is a bit difficult to mix because it's dry. Then add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix well and season with salt. If you are using stock that has salt, reduce the amount of salt used. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, grate half a clove of garlic. I don't have garlic granules, so I'm using fresh. If you have garlic granules, add 1/4 teaspoon. Just so that you know, I bought this after I made the Christmas trees. Ha ha ha. Mix 1 egg and the 1 egg yolk in a jug and pour it to the mixture. Mix it until it's fully incorporated. A whisk will do the job. This is the texture of the mash. It should be able to hold its shape. Now the mash is ready. We're going to set aside about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mash. We'll color the large portion with green food color. Add in enough green color to make a nice green. If you want it to be a darker green, add a drop of blue color. Mix it so there are no streaks. Then we color the small portion brown. If you don't have brown, you can mix blue, red, and a bit of green or yellow. Or you can use some cocoa powder. Chocolate in mash, ooh, that would be wonderful, ha ha ha. So now we're going to pipe it, so we put it in a piping bag with a large star nozzle. Then pipe out the Christmas tree shape. It's like a little triangle. If you like my video so far, please give it a like and subscribe. This will help Google's algorithm and show it to more people. Hit the bell button too. So we'll pipe the brown mash as the tree trunk. Then bake it in a preheated oven 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes or until lightly brown. Now we're going to decorate it with some Christmas sprinkles. I put a dot of shop-bought writing icing on the bead and stick it to the tree. Here you go. Aren't they cute? And they look like cookies. My daughter thought they are cookies, so she took a bite and she was disappointed. Here we are, our beautiful Christmas tree from mash. The cheats Duchess potato Christmas trees for Christmas. I hope you give it a try and do something cute for Christmas. So until then, until the next time, until the next round, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. So give my channel a like and subscribe. I hope you give it a try. If you find my videos of value, do subscribe. For more celebration recipes, click here. And if you like to have Nyonya recipes, click here. So until the next time, I'll see you again. Loretali here. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.